Natasiri sa title. At the zoo. I went to the zoo yesterday. I saw a lot of lions and monkeys. The lions sat on the rocks. The monkeys were swinging from the trees.
Oh, answer number 1. Question number 1.
Where did I go yesterday?
Oh, where did I go?
Wait lang pagani, suwaton bagan ako dire.
Ayaw na isulat na ang question. Answer na lang din ha, diretso. Where did I go? Asa ka na to?
Zoo. At the zoo.
Nailinya ha. Di lapaw, dili kulang.
Zoo.
Oh, sama na.
Naglilog ko sa Z.
Nag-read to, nakalibog Japon ka sa Z. Small ra na siya.
What guys? Dako man eh.
Okay. Oh, unsay gamiton pagtapos sa kwan? Sulat. Kama, period, question mark.
Period.
Oh.
Na.
Number 2. Basa.
Lang. What animals did I see?
Oh. What animals?
See. Be.
Lions ra?
Ano ba de?
What animals? So, ang gipangayo, na-S wala. So, meaning, daghan. I saw a lot of
lions and monkeys.
oh, unsa ni na monkeys? Animals na, dili.
Ano?
Oh. Ang imong gibasa, imo ibutang sa ulo.
M-O-L. K-E-Y. Monkey.
Sa gamiton, sa panapos. Number 3.
Which animals sat on the rocks?
Which of the animals sat on the rocks? Oh, number 4. Basa.
Which animals was swinging from the trees?
Oh, which of the animals swinging on the trees?
Monkeys.
Very good.
Tapos period.
Oh,